Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on campus placement which is for 4.5 to 6 LPA which is occurred in Jan 2025 and it is located in Hyderabad and this is Hansa Solutions. Okay, before going into the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, let us going into the video. Round 1. Okay, round 1 is on aptitude, verbal and quant. Okay, all the topics are covered and you can mainly focus on time and work, distance, okay, boards and streams, and like permutations and combinations, and sitting arrangement, syllogisms, and verbals like sentence correction. Okay, fill in the correct word in the blank. Okay, in that way you can prepare. Okay, round 1, and it is an elimination round. Okay, you should be very particular while answering the questions, and there will be a cutoff. Okay, the cutoff is 60%. If the round is for 100%, then you should cross the 60 percentage of marks, then you are eligible for the round 2. Okay, I hope you got it. This round is purely on aptitude, verbal and quant, and no coding questions. The one who are eligible in round 2, they are going for round 2. Okay, who are eligible for round 2 are qualified, should qualify in round 1. Okay, if you have any doubts on this round, you please put it in comment section so that I might be gathering more and more topics which are asked in the exam. Okay, okay, 60 percentage is the cutoff mark for this round qualification. And round 2 is objective, coding objective theory questions, 50 questions each, half mark. This means this round consists of objective questions on coding theory part. Okay, 50 questions they have given and each consists of half mark on, and it is also an elimination round and they have given a cutoff. Okay, they have given a cutoff, that means you should cross 25 marks or like that. They might be reducing the cutoff also. Okay, no need to worry, if you perform well there might be chances. Okay, so prepare well the coding theory part. Okay, and it is fully objective based, that means you can choose the options. Okay, I hope you got with the round 2. The one who are qualified for the round 2, they are eligible for the round 3. Okay, let us see into the round 3. Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider of doing subscribing to my channel. Please, it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, let us going into the round 3 information. Okay, round 3, and in round 3 you are separated like front end developer or product analyst. Okay, there are two roles. Okay, in this round 3 only you are separated. Okay, the one who opt for the front end developer, they are given the pseudo codes. Okay, in C++ and C and JavaScript also you are given pseudo codes and you have to predict the output. Okay, that is the question paper for front end developer. Whereas if for product analyst, you have faced three things like questions on simple maths and reasoning and decision making questions. That means if you are new to a place, then if you doesn't have a mobile, then how do you face the challenges in that place? Okay, in that way decision making will be. Okay, this is round 3, and here your roles are separated like front end developer and product analyst, and the one who qualified in the round 3 are eligible for the round 4. It is also an elimination round, that means you should be very careful with every round because every round is an elimination round. Okay, let us going into the another round. Before that, consider subscribing my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, let us going into the video. Round 4. Okay, the one who qualified in round 3, that means front end developer who qualified doing pseudocodes, they are given paper pen based test which is on coding. Okay, see, they have given coding questions related to OOPS. Okay, mainly they have asked like classes. Okay, like they have asked you to maintain class A and class B, like child class and parent class, how do you inherit, and polymorphism, encapsulation, how do you maintain, that they have asked, and mainly based on those questions only I will give the question. Don't worry, now I will let you know which question they have asked in this round. Okay, before that, for product analyst, see, the one who cleared simple maths, reasoning and decision making, they're eligible for the round 4. And in round 4 they have faced questions on SQL. If you haven't watched my channel, I have made an SQL playlist. If you want more and more videos on SQL, please put it in comment section, so that I will make more questions on SQL. Okay, now here for front end developer, do you want to know which question they have asked? Okay, I will let you know at the end of the video. Don't worry, before that subscribe my channel and hit a like. Okay, and going into the another round, I hope you got cleared with 4 rounds. Okay, going to the round 5. Round 5 is interview, and it consists of both TR, technical interview, and HR interview, and it is very tough. Okay, prepare well, because they are going to ask the all the technical questions, and they are very much concerned with that. Okay, and do you want to know which question they have asked in paper pen based question? See, if you are going to a supermarket, then you have to maintain classes, or you have to write the functions to add an item in the cart. That means you are given a basket, you have to add an item into the basket and count the number of items and buy. That means if you want to buy another one, how will you buy, and stock enough or not. If you want chocolate and that stock doesn't enough, doesn't there in the shop, then how do you predict that whether the stock is there or not? And year analysis. Okay, how do you calculate the year analysis of the stock? Okay, that is the question you have given. You have to implement the class, and you can inheritance, you can use inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, you can use all the concepts, but you have to implement that. That means supermarket, you have went to the supermarket and you have to add an item into the list and count the number of items and buy something, whether stock is enough or not, and year analysis. Okay, that is the question they have faced in front end developer role. Okay, I hope you got clear with round 1. Round 1 is aptitude, verbal and quant. Round 2 is coding object theory questions. 50 questions each, half mark, and every round is an elimination round. Okay, you have to cross the cutoff. And round 3 is it is the turning point round, and your roles will be decided. Front end developer and product analyst, pseudocodes and simple maths, reasoning and decision making. And the one who qualified round 3 are eligible for the round 4. And paper pen based test, I have already discussed the coding question with you. That is, if you went to the supermarket, you have to buy an item and count the number of items, and you have to predict the year analysis, whether the stock is enough or not. And for the product analyst, questions on SQL. And round 5 is interview for both of them, front end developer and product analyst, based on questions they will ask, and it consists of both TR and HR questions. Okay, prepare well. And the TR is going to be very tough. Okay, HR questions, I have made many more videos on that for HR questions for Infosys and Infosys and Accenture playlist, so that you can find the HR questions, how will be the HR questions. Okay, thank you so much. And if you encourage me like this, I will make more and more videos for you. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.